guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with Holly, and today is actually a really big day because I am doing a video that I've been wanting to make for ages, and it's something that I've had quite a few requests about, and that is a yoga video. So I am a yoga fanatic. It is a huge part of my life. I practice every day and fit it in around kids and husband and life generally, because it's just a massive priority for me. Today I'm going to be talking you guys through some moves if you're a beginner and just getting going in yoga. Just a little disclaimer, I am not a yoga teacher. I'm not qualified, I'm not an instructor, nada. So I just wanted to put that out there. These are just the moves that I practice and that I know and love, so please take them and adapt them as appropriate. I am a yoga teacher, but just for kids. Yeah, and we have done a video over on Holly's channel which is all about yoga for kids, so please go and check that out. We'll link to that below. But in the meantime, we really hope you enjoy this video. The first thing I always do is go to Spotify and find my yoga playlist. It's just kind of chill out songs, kind of like you're listening to now. Then I light a candle, it just helps me get into the mood and smells really lovely too. Then I'll roll out my mat and get started. I always warm up doing the same two poses, which are cat pose and cow pose. It's a really nice way to bring some heat to the body and to encourage your breath to become nice and slow, and also just to stretch out your back and your neck. For me, this is my favourite way to start my yoga practice and really gets me in the mood. Then I'll do a couple of rounds of sun salutations. This is one of the absolute staple moves of yoga, and for me, it's probably my favourite. For me, it's what really helps me focus mentally, and also again serves to warm up the body and kind of get this inner fire in your belly going. Then I'll go into what's called a crescent lunge, which opens the front torso, chest and shoulders, and really, for me anyway, just banishes all my tiredness. From here I'll open up into warrior pose, which as the name suggests is a pretty powerful one. I love this position and it's perfect for any level. It really helps open the hips and stretch the legs. To be honest, I'm not doing this stance very well. I should have my knee directly over my ankle. It's probably because my stance is too short and I need to have my legs further apart. Then I'll open up into Trikonasana or triangle pose. I love this pose. It's amazing for opening your chest and letting your lungs fully expand. Next, I'll go into chair pose, which is a toughie. This is really working the muscles of your arms and your legs, and also just gets your blood pumping. You'll feel this one, I promise you. I'll move onto the floor and take my legs into a wide seated pose without causing any pain. You can always sit on a cushion or a folded towel to help support the back. And then I'll bend sideways as far as comfortable while keeping my thighs and my bum evenly pressing into the earth. You can also take one leg in if that's easier. Then I'll just relax forward and flop down. I never ever do yoga without doing a twist at the end. It's just an amazing way to help your digestion and to ease out any pain you've got in your body, especially your lower back. If I have time and none of the kids have come in to get me yet, I will always end with a little bit of meditation. Then at the end, I'll always bring my hands to 3 different points on my body. To my third eye for clarity of thought, to my lips for clarity of speech, and to my heart for clarity of intent. One of my teachers once taught me this and I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you found that video helpful. Just a couple of moves that will get you eased into yoga practice if you're a newbie, and I hope that you grow to love yoga as much as we do. Hop over to Holly's channel for that video about yoga for kids, and we will see you soon. Bye! Bye.